Tingin ko. Nagatingin na ako. Kami sa SM. Nasa labas na kami ng SM. Ayan lang. Every time na pupunta kami ng SM, lagi kami nawawala. Palaging nawawala sa lugar. Hindi alam kung saan na magpunta. Hindi na alam kung saan na yung area na pupuntahan. And gutom na kami. Balak namin kumain sa Jollibee. Kaso, nung sa Jollibee kami pumunta, kaya sabi natin, sa kabila naman kami Jollibee sa labas. And sige kami hanap ng ano. Sige kami hanap ng exit. Dito na kami. Diyan pa. Diyan pa. Exit tayo. Tara na. Sa SM. Tapos na kaming kumain. This is store here. Ito lang lang ako nabili ng mga nagbabadge. Bong. 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 Ay, pamili. Pauwi na kami, dumiretso kami sa palengke. Nagabihan ng mga parang kang walang pao. Yung isra niya.
Sila kasi.
Nagabihan na ng uwi. Ang iba itsura. Grabe kapagod. Alam mo ba, muntik na ako makatulog sa cup kanina. Ang safety pulse ko. Janice. Open na natin ang ating kinuhang ID.
Sure na ako, tita.
Tingnan mo yung mukha ko. Paano kung wala ko? Yan na. Ayaw, may valid ID na.
Later.
Hey guys, successful. I already booked my appointment and my schedule will be next week, Tuesday. And I have to, it says there's instruction. And tomorrow I have to go out to print all those papers and my IDs, valid IDs and my certificate.
Thousand years later.
Hey guys, leaving, going to the FA at Robinson's Mall here, and it's raining.
Later.
Today is my appointment day at Cliff A for my passport, and let's get ready with me, and the rest will follow. 7 a.m. here. Bath already, so I'm going to wear this later. And now let's clean our face. I'm gonna use this. After cleaning, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Let's go. Let's go.
Later.
Hold on. I look haggard. I look haggard. Now it's time to go home. I'm at Robinson's Cave, Robinson's Mall. And I will let you know guys later once I get back home. For now, let's find tricycle to go home. That's all done. They're waiting for her. That's home.
Hostage. 2,000 years later.
Hey guys, I'm going to Robinson's today to get my passport. Let's go. I'm ready.
Got my passport, guys. I'm at Robinson's Mall. Robinson. Can you see that? Robinson. From here, I'm here now. And then to there. I look haggard. I just got back home and I got my passport. I'm happy. Look guys, I'll show you. I didn't plan to eat at Jollibee after I got this. I was upstairs at second floor, and I was like sitting there for a while, because since there's free Wi-Fi, so I can just sit and watch for few minutes. Then I just saw downstairs the Jollibee and many people. Like I feel like I missed it, so I don't feel it yet that time. So when I went downstairs, I ordered the one my favorite, I missed Jollibee a lot, like so much. I never eat there for a long time, long time. I got to see outside finally. Alright, that's all guys. Hope you like this video. I'm just happy right now and I'm doing great here. Hoping that all of you out there are doing great also. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. See you again in my next video, and I will be going to upload new videos next guys. Stay tuned and thank you for staying.